Final question. It's more of a comment, but I think there's something interesting here we can talk about. This is from Erica on the OpenEd team. And Erica says that she's been a part of the open education, alternative education world for almost 35 years. And one of the most common things that she comes across is lack of confidence by parents, lack of confidence in their abilities, more so as the kids get older and they feel like they need to learn things that the parent doesn't know. But even from a very young age, they feel like they are not qualified or equipped to teach their child. What is your response to that general sentiment or fear?
I would say there are unlimited amounts of resources that can help children learn, especially in today's world with so many resources available. So the parent doesn't have to be the expert, and lecturing on a topic that you are an expert in might not be the best education environment anyway. Yeah. So tap into resources that are all over, from online to book-based to community-based. And it's almost endless, the opportunities you have to supplement what you do as a parent. Again, the parent, in my view, creates the environment of opportunities, resources, examples, support, love, limits, latitude, that then creates that environment where students can thrive. It's not what the parent has in his or her brain to impart. It's about creating the environment that allows learning to flourish.
That is exactly what I was going to say. It goes back to what we were talking about, curiosity, that relax. They don't have to learn from you. They're learning because they're human, and that's what humans do.
Yeah.
And your job is not to impart everything that they need to know from your brain into theirs. It's just to use that environment. Put them in an environment where they can do what comes naturally to humans, which is to learn. Remove the impediments, put them in front of the resources, remove the roadblocks, and let that learning that they already want to do because they're humans with goals, let that be the driving force. You're more of a curator, protector, what you said, the 3 L's. What were they again?
Love, limits, and latitude.
Love, limits, and latitude. Bingo. That's your role. It's really just an extension of all the other parts of parenthood.
Yes.
Helping your kids learn is not really any different from helping them grow as a human being in general, which is what parents do. It's just some specific areas of that. If you're used to outsourcing those to someone else, it's not that different.